Hello students, let us continue the session on decimals. In the previous session, we had discussed exercise 8.1. We shall continue with exercise 8.2. The first question is to complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the numbers. This box has to be filled by looking at these three figures. In the first figure, we need to identify how many ones, how many tenths, how many hundredths are there. Then we have to write the number. Here, the number of ones are 0. The number of tenths are 2 and the number of hundredths are 6. Therefore, the given number is 0.26. Question arises that how did I write 0 followed by 26 and I have written the number as 0.26. I have written it basically because when you look at this figure, it's one complete square in that there are smaller squares. This complete square is being divided into 100 smaller squares. You can count in the row there are 10, in the column also there are 10 by 10 square, it is 100. So 1 is being divided by 100. Look at how many boxes are filled with the dots. Here in the first column there are 10 dots. In the second column there are 10 dots. In the third column there are 6 dots. Totally 26 dots are there. We all have learned to convert the fraction in decimal. We need to write the number as it is and you have to count the number of zeros from the left. You count the digits. Here 2 zeros are there, count 2 digits and then place the decimal. So I have written ones as 0, tenths as 2, hundredths as 6. So the given number is 0.26. This is how it's been done. Here look at the second one. Here there are totally 100 boxes which are filled, followed by another square. In this square, here there are 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8, totally 38 along with 100. In total we have 138 divided by 100. So in decimal it is 1.38. It means one complete square is been filled and there are 3 tenths and there are 8 hundredths. So the given number is 1.38. In the third one, if you look at this, 100 boxes have been filled, followed by 2 more boxes which are in column filled and 8 boxes in the row, 2 complete rows, and in another row there are 8 smaller boxes filled. In total we have 128 boxes have been filled. So the given number is 1.28. So number of ones 1, number of tenths 2, and the number of hundredths 8. So the given number is 1.28. Question number 2. Write the given numbers in the following place value table in decimal form. Here hundredths, tenths, ones, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. The digits are written here these digits are to be multiplied with a place value, then we need to add them to get the number. Let me take the first one. In the first one we have got 0 multiplied with 100 plus 0 multiplied with 10 plus 3 multiplied to 1 plus 2 multiplied to 1 upon 10 plus 5 multiplied to 1 upon 100 plus 0 multiplied to 1 upon 1000. On simplification, 0 multiplied to 100 is 0, 0 multiplied to 10 is 0, 3 multiplied to 1 is 3, plus 2 multiplied to 1 upon 10 is 0.2, plus 5 multiplied to 1 upon 100 is 0.05, plus 0 multiplied to 1 by 1000 is 0. Upon addition, we get the number as 3.25. This is how it has to be solved. Let me take the second one. 1 to be multiplied with 100 plus the 0 multiplied with 10 plus 0, sorry, it is 2 multiplied to 1 plus 6 is multiplied to 1 upon 10 plus 3 multiplied to 1 upon 100 plus 0 is multiplied to 1 upon 1000. So the number is 100 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0.6 plus 0.03 plus 0. Upon addition, we get it as 102.63. Let's see the third one. 0 is multiplied to 100 plus 3 multiplied to 10 plus 0 multiplied to 1 plus 0 multiplied to 1 upon 10 plus 2 multiplied to 1 upon 100 plus 5 multiplied to 1 upon 1000. So we have 0 added to 30 added to 0 plus 0 plus 0.02 plus 0.005. Let's add them. It will be 30.025. Next one, D. 2 is multiplied to 100 plus 2 is multiplied to 1 is multiplied to 10 plus 1 is been multiplied to 1 plus 9 is multiplied to 1 upon 10 plus 0 is multiplied to 1 upon 100 plus 2 is multiplied to 1 upon 1000. This will be 200 plus 10 plus 1 plus 0.9 plus 0 plus 0.002. Let's add them together. We get it as 211.902. Let's see the last one. E. 0 is been multiplied to 100 plus 1 is been multiplied to 10 plus 2 is been multiplied to 1 plus 2 is multiplied to 1 upon 10 plus 4 multiplied to 1 upon 100 plus 1 is multiplied to 1 upon 1000. Let's further simplify. It will be 0 plus 10 plus 2 plus not 2 plus 0.04 plus 0.001. On addition, we get 12.241. Question number 3. Write the following decimals in the place value table. Let's first make the place value table. Let me mention in this format. First I'll mention the numbers, followed by how many hundreds are there, followed by how many tens are there, followed by how many ones, then followed by tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. This will help us to write each one of them one below the other. In the first one, they have given the number as 0.29. So how many hundreds are there? Hundreds, there's no hundreds. How many tenths are there? No tenths. There's no ones, but the tenths, there are 2. How many hundredths are there? 9. How many thousandths are there? 0. Same way, 2.08. There's no hundreds. There's no tenths. There's ones. No tenths. 800s. And there's no thousandths. See, 19.60. Hundreds, there's no hundreds. There's 1 in tenths place. There's 9 in ones place, 6 in the tenths place, and there are no hundreds or thousands. Next one, 148.32. 1 is at hundreds place, followed by 4 at tenths place, then 8 in ones place, 3 in tenths place, 2 in hundredth place. There's no thousandth place. Last one, 200.812. 2 is at hundreds place. There's no numbers at tens as well as ones place. 8 in the tenths place, 1 in the hundredths place, and 2 in the thousandth place. This is how we make use of the place value table for finding out the respective digits. Question number 4. Write each one of the following as decimals. In the first one, we have got 20 to be added to 9, that is to be added to 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is nothing but 0.4 plus 1 by 100 is nothing but 0.01. When you add them, you get the number as 29.41. Second one, 137 plus 5 by 100 is nothing but not 5, not 0.5. On addition, we get 137.05. Third one, 7 by 10 is 0.7 plus 6 by 100 is 0.06 plus 4 by 1000 is 0.004. On addition, we get it as 0.764. Fourth one, 23 to be added to 2 by 10 is 0.2. 6 by 1000 0.06006. We get the sum 23.206. The last one, E 700 to be added to 20, that is to be added to 5, that is to be added to 0.09, we get 725.09. Question number 5. Write each of the following decimals in words. First one is 0.03. Second one is 1.2. It is same as 1.20. If you don't write 0 at the end, there is no problem. Next is 108.56. Next is 10.07. Next is 5.008. Sorry, this is F. I missed out E. E is 0.032. Question 6. Between which two numbers in 10th place on the number line does the given numbers lie? Here, what is the main thing you need to observe is they're all 0 point something. So, the first basic thing you should know is all these given numbers. These given numbers lie between 0 and 1. In the first one, we have got 0.06. It is nearer to 0.1. So it is between 0.1 and 0.2. 0.45 is nearer to 0.5. So it lies between 0.5 and 0.6. Third one, 0.19 is nearer to 0.2. So this number lies between 0.2 and 0.3. Fourth one, 0.66 is nearer to 0.7. So it lies between 0.7 and 0.8. 0.92 is nearer to 0.9. So it lies between 0.9 and 1.00. 0.57 is nearer to 0.6. So this number is between 0.5 and 0.6. So let me mention that also. So this number is between 0.01 to 0.1. This number is between 0.4 and 0.5. This particular number is between 0.1 and 0.2. This number is between 0.6 and 0.7. This number is between 0.9 and 1.0. This number is between, I have to mention here between. This is short form to write between. So this number is between 0.5 and 0.6. Question 7. We need to express the given fractions in the lowest terms. In the first one, we have got 0.60. Same as 60 divided by 100. I have to take the number of zeros with respect to the number of digits after the decimal point. So on simplification, we get it as 3 upon 5 because 0 get cancelled. They are divisible by 2. Second one, 0.05 is 5 by 100. On simplification, we get 1 upon 20. Third one, 0.75 is 75 by 100. They are both divisible by 25, 3 times and 4 times, so the number is 3 by 4. Fourth one, 0.18 is 18 upon 100. It will be 9 by 50 because both they divisible by 2. 0.25 is 25 upon 100, which will be 1 upon 4. 0.125 is 125 upon 1000. This will be equal to 1 upon 8. Next is 0.066. It will be 66 upon 1000. They both divisible by 2. 33 by 500. These are the lowest form of the fraction. This is the last question of the exercise, and I shall continue the session with exercise 8.3 tomorrow. That's all for today's session. Thank you.